All right, so you want to use YouTube to maximize the reach of your online therapy business. You're in the right place. Hey, it's Adam at Local View here, and we're just going to give you a few steps today on how to set up your YouTube channel to maximize your reach online for your therapy business. So first of all, set up your channel with Sizzle. Now, you don't have to be a tech wizard to create a YouTube channel. It's simple, it's free. I'm not going to give the technical step-by-step of how to do that in this post, but if you're interested, there is a link below that you can go and you can find out how to do that exactly step by step. Now, what you'll have to do is you're going to have to select a profile image, a banner image, and write a description and put in a link to your website in there. And so you're going to want to make sure your channel pops and encapsulates the essence of your business. Now, if you need help with the profile image and the banner image, I've also linked an article about that as well, so you can follow that. And there's a step-by-step with all the image dimensions and everything that you'll need. Now, step two, you want to get equipped. But you don't need to break the bank. Now, here's something that is kind of a myth, that you would have to have the best camera equipment and the best microphones and all this stuff to get a successful channel going, and that's just not true. It does depend on the niche that you're in. However, if you're making HD nature videos, of course, you're going to need the best camera. But for the type of business that you're in, the most important thing is the content. So if you want to level up, eventually start adding high dollar equipment. You can get a camera, a microphone, and some lighting equipment. Here's a pro tip. The first thing that I would do is if I wanted to start adding to my equipment, is the first thing I would do is get lighting. If you have an average smartphone today, the camera's pretty decent in it, and you could just get a little microphone maybe next. And then the last thing that I would do would be to upgrade the camera. See this little microphone I have here? You can get these for about 30 bucks on Amazon. It's just a USB thing. Or it just plugs into the USB-C jack on your phone, or else there are Bluetooth versions available. But lighting is the thing that I would invest in first. Maybe get one of the LED ring lights, however you'd want to go about it. Now, the next one is you're going to want to plan out your content. Okay, we can provide you with a content calendar, and we can definitely help you in this area. So decide on the type of videos that you want to create. And here's a pro tip. Start with the end user in mind. In other words, you're going to reverse engineer your videos. Okay, so you think about who you're trying to reach exactly. Are you trying to reach people that are struggling with depression, with anxiety, with addiction, with marriage problems? And start with that person in mind and then work backwards. What are the kinds of questions that these people are asking? Now, here's another pro tip. If you want to begin your channel and start getting views, pretty much right away, start by answering questions that your end user would have. Make videos that are short, that are sweet, simple, to the point, that answer questions that your end user, that your ideal client would be asking. The goal, obviously, is to provide valuable information to your viewers and to establish yourself as a trusted resource. The next step, step 4, create videos with verve. Start recording and just have fun, okay? Consistency is king on YouTube, so make sure to upload videos regularly. Now, just on camera, just be yourself, okay? Be authentic, be engaging, let your personality shine through, and just have fun with it. Here's a tip, okay? Here's a pro tip. Just start doing it, right? You can overthink this stuff way too much. Just start doing it. Start uploading videos. Listen, the first videos that you upload, when you look at the videos that you're doing a year from now, guaranteed they're going to be a lot better. If you make 1% improvement, 2% improvement every time, and things just keep getting better as you're going, you're doing great. So just get over the stage fright or whatever it might be and just hit record and start going. And finally, last step, step 5, is you're going to want to promote your channel. Okay, so connect your YouTube channel to your website, your social media accounts, and you're going to reach even more people. Now, also, if you really want to go and start driving traffic immediately, you can pay for ads on YouTube just like you can do with Google Ads. There are premium ads available, and so you can just start driving traffic that way. The more promotion, the better, right? Now, studies show that people are far more into video content than they are any other kind of content online. YouTube has 2.6 billion active users at this point. And so this is the time to get in. You should go all in with YouTube as you know, as part of your marketing efforts. Now, of course, if you need help with any of these things, local view, we can definitely help you with any of the things that we talked about and discussed here. So in conclusion, YouTube is just a powerhouse tool for a therapy business, for a psychologist, for a psychiatrist. By combining valuable content with authenticity, creativity, a dash of your personality, you can connect with potential clients, you can establish yourself as an expert, you can grow your business like never before. So here's the question: what are you waiting for? Grab your camera, join the YouTube community, and let the magic unfold.